Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to do a rain tray cover and before anyone says anything, I do have a OEM rain tray cover, the large one that fits end to end. I do have it on my two-door, but I decided to do this option because I had this on my Mk1 GTI many years ago, and something I just made up, and I really liked how smooth and clean it looks, so I'm opting to go with that in this car. So all you're gonna need, guys, is the rubber that fits in the front here. You're gonna need some vinyl, whatever color you want. I opted for black, and then I've got this rubber here. This is one that fits on your door, on the inside of your door. So just measure from that end to there and cut it up. So yeah guys, let's get going and I'll show you exactly how I did it. Okay guys, so the first thing you do is take your vinyl, push it over here, and just measure here at the back, make a line, and then you cut it. So what's going to happen is this is going to fold over here, and the rubber that I showed you just now is actually going to push it down and hold it in place. So it's difficult for me to do here with my phone in one hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this over like this from end to end, use a pen, make a line, cut it, and let me do that and I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, it's a bit of change in plan. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the vinyl there in place and then put the rubber over it and then scribe with a pen. Just going to give me a much more accurate measurement. Okay guys, I've completed the installation. It took me a bit of a while. Basically you just need to constantly stretch the material to get a flat finish. With the heat that is exposed to it will obviously the wrinkles will disappear. It will look better, but as you guys can see, it is a smooth look, and all the imperfections that you see in the vinyl will disappear with heat and time. And remember, you can always just stretch it out a bit further as it heats up. Guys, this is the look. As you guys can see, everything is covered. Remember, rain will fall, and then obviously it depends which angle you're at, it will slide off your sides and down your drains there. I'm actually planning on putting a fire extinguisher underneath this part here where it's empty, small fire extinguisher, so that will be hidden. And guys, it's quite easy to get to the back here. All you need to do is just lift that there. The vinyl is stuck in the channel there, so it's quite easy. And as you guys can see, if you need to get in here, it's easy. And to put it back, all you need to do is knock it back in place. It's that simple. As I said, with time the vinyl will take the shape. It will look better over time, but I'm really happy with it. As I said, I'm sure it's not for everyone, but I like it. So hope this helps someone. Thank you guys, and thanks for the support. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks, bye.